Manalo ang pambato ng Barangay Tinungkop na si Lester Mata Porras sa katatapos pa lang na Ginoong Tantangan, South Cotabato 2023. Tinalo niya ang 11 pang mga pambato galing sa iba't ibang barangay. Siya rin ang tinanghal na Mr. Congressional Award at Best Informal Attire. Sa question and answer portion ay tinanong siya kung ano ang kanyang gustong i-promote sa kanilang lugar upang maipakita ang progressive at resilience na tangtangan.
Just to be here and to be inspiration not only to the youth but also to those people who believe in me. Yes, we can deny the fact that our municipality is known as the capital battery of the South. And we are also known as a diverse municipality in terms of our culture, beliefs, and tradition. But one thing that we Tantangeños should be proud of is its people. The resiliency of every Tantangeño. Even though we have a lot of problems that we have faced in our daily life, but we are still here celebrating our victory, celebrating the hope that God has been given to us.
Si Lester ay consistent achiever, active sports enthusiast at isang proud part-time worker. Hindi pa man opisyal pero maugong na ang balita na lalaban si Lester sa Mr. Earth Philippines ngayong taon. Liban sa titulong Ginoong Tantangan 2023, si Lester din ay Mr. RMMC 2021, Cute Online Teen Star 2022 third runner-up at MV Creative and Production top model. As of now, si Lester ay mayroong 3.9 thousand followers sa Facebook.